Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and here we are with another little tip for your Tesla. Now we have the Tesla Model 3 2021, and these are the mats that came with the car. They're really good mats, they're really heavy and all that, but you notice here, this little section here is cut out and it's not protecting this piece here where you tend to put your foot there all the time on this footrest. And it's getting all dingy and all messed up there. So, and the other thing is we have no protection on the edges. If you notice here, there's nothing here protecting the edges here. So stay tuned for the remedy, and here we go. All right, here we have the items that we ordered, and by the way, the price that we got this for, it's awesome. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video because you can't beat that price for what we're getting here. So stay tuned for the reveal of this product right here for your Tesla Model 3 2021. The whole kit brings just about everything we need except for the frunk. This one is for the trunk. Put this one to the side. This one here is for the driver's side. This is for the passenger side. And we have here the one for the rear of the car, which I think is awesome. They look really nice. And you guys got to see the price of this item. It's incredible for the price that we got. All these items that we're going to go ahead and install now and show you how they look. This one here, sometimes you have to work this one out. Sometimes they say to use a little bit of heat to straighten out whatever has been folded for a while. It just came in that box there, so stay tuned for the install. All right, here's the old ones that came with the car. Just put this to the side here. And if you notice, this ones here, they're nice, really nice ones, but if you notice here, it doesn't cover the edge on both sides all the way through. So we're going to take this one off and we're going to put the new ones in here and see how much it covers on the sides here and how well it fits. These mats are super easy to clean and dry, and they work well with all temperatures. Also scratch proof and not easily deformed or cracked. Now that's a full cover all the way to the edges there, all the way through. You just have to wait a little while for it to get back in place because it's been folded for a while. So I guess with the heat it'll straighten out little by little. But here we have a cover all the way to the edge here, so anything spills in here is going to stay in this section here. It has a little higher area there and all the way on that side as well. Okay, this part here, it's not a big issue. It still fits in there perfectly all the way around and in place. You only have this little space here that is sticking up a little bit, but I'm sure with the heat and objects and stuff on it, it'll keep it now nice and flat. It'll probably end up being flat completely with gravity anyway. And here, they say to bend a little bit and use a hair dryer on high heat, and you could apply a little bit of heat and bend it a little bit like I'm doing here, and this part will get a little bit better there and it'll be flat, which is almost there now just by doing that. This side here, same thing. All you gotta do is just bend it a little bit, bend, all the way through to the end here. I did it back and forth a couple of times, and if you need, you have to apply a little heat with your hair dryer, and that'll make it fit perfectly. And I think I'm happy with the way it is there now. So if I need to, I'll apply a little heat, but it looks like it's fine. I don't see any problem here whatsoever. It's just this little bump here that sticks up a little bit, but I think this will, in time, will get flat again. Otherwise, super happy with it, and I highly recommend it. Now that looks really, really awesome. I like the way it looks. It looks nice and clean and even. One of the things that I like, it really covers the whole edge here perfectly, all the way to up there, and it covers this footrest perfectly without any problems. I like it. It comes up here several inches here, all the way in the back here as well. And then it has this little area reinforced here for your heel to rest on, and it goes up pretty high behind the pedals there. So I love the way it looks. It looks really awesome, and it looks really well made. And one of the things that I like about it is they're really, really light. The other ones that I just took off, they are super heavier compared to these. And remember, the less weight on this vehicle, the better it is for your battery consumption. So this one looks super good in my view here, at least. I'm really happy with them. Okay, well, here we have the passenger side. As you can see here, it doesn't cover the edge as well. All the way back here, doesn't cover anything. Doesn't cover anything on the edges there as well. And they go up pretty up high there. So let's see the difference from these to the new one. So let's take off these. Mind you, these are really, really super heavy rubber. It may be a good thing for them to last. Now these, you can just pick up with a couple of fingers. They're so light. And here's the fitment. It's just right on the money. I mean, it's perfect. Now the only thing I see here is this one doesn't go all the way up like the other one. It's a little bit less than the other one here at the end. But here, look at this. Completely protected all the way on the edge. Look at that. It comes up here like 2.5 inches, and it looks amazing. I love the way it looks. So let's go to the back one now. All right, so here we have the back ones. These are the ones that came with the car, and I'm not saying they're bad. They're really heavy and well done. It's just that it doesn't cover the edges the way I like it. And this one here is a 2-piece, which I think it's convenient when you're cleaning them. The other one that I want to put in there is a 1-piece completely. But let's see how much it covers. Right here, you can see where that is, all the way around, and how far up these go to. And right here, you can see there's a carpet space exposed here and here. So compared to the next one, let's see how much better it covers. And another thing that I wanted to mention, these old carpets, actually the mats, they're really heavy, and I guesstimate at least 20-30 pounds altogether. All this right here, it weighs a ton. They are super heavy. So compared to the other ones, they don't weigh anything, and that's a lot of good news for your car and battery usage. Okay, so let's install the rear mat. So far I am liking the way they look. I think it's perfect. They're super light, easy to install. They don't weigh as much as the other ones do. And let me see if I get in here. Now let's see, how much do we cover here? Wow, huge difference. The appearance, it is like over 100% different. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful, nice and even. And now here's what we are gonna see. Here it comes up like 2.5 inches. It does the same here, all the way around, all the way to the other end. And then under here, look at this. Remember this big space that we had here? We had a big gap here. Not anymore. Look how far in it goes. All the way under there. I mean, it is amazing. And for the price, you can't even beat this. Click on the link below to see the product and the price for this product. I'm not even going to say the price because it's so inexpensive, but the quality looks awesome. The design looks beautiful and even all the way through, and they're matte black, which is one of the things I like for my car. And the only thing from here is, let's see how much time they will last. That's the important thing also. So let's see how that goes. All right, guys, my final thoughts on the new carpets that we put in the car. Design wise, beautiful. I love the design. It looks awesome. It made a night and day change to the appearance inside the car. Beautiful. They look awesome. Price wise, you can't even get better than that. I'm not even going to say the price. All you have to do is just click on that link below in the description of this video. You'll find for yourself that they are so inexpensive. It's incredible. Quality wise, they look very well made. The cuts, the fitment, it's like spot on, perfect, completely perfect. Now the only thing I found is on the trunk one, since it's a little bit bigger, it was folded, and it has that little folded shape, but I'm expecting within probably a few days with the heat and all that, it'll be nice and flat again. But other than that, it is perfect. I highly recommend it. And the other thing I like, they're really easy to take off. They don't weigh almost nothing compared to the other ones. The other ones weighed like you grab it and it would take strength to weigh them out, especially the back ones, which is the bigger ones. But these, big difference in weight. I'm talking about a big difference in weight. These don't even weigh anything. To take them off and take them out to clean them, seconds. It's just clean and easy. But and other than that, I mean, there's nothing else I can say other than I'm really happy with the change. And the most important thing for me is that I can get this thing, that footrest, covered and protected, and I have that. So I'm really happy with the change, and I'm sure that if you do it too, you'll probably be happy with it as well. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for subscribing. You guys who have subscribed recently, thank you guys. I really appreciate your support for the channel. And if you haven't liked the video yet, click that little like button on the bottom there. I really will appreciate it. So thank you so much again, and have an awesome day. So thank you so much for watching this video, And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you press the subscribe button, you'll hear the clown honking 2 times. Nah, just kidding. But if you do subscribe, we will definitely appreciate your support. Thank you so much. And like I always say, get Tesla tized and charge on, baby.